Hey Leo, so we're here at Docs, winter time, so you know what that means. We take on some big projects, restoration projects. So right now, we got three that we're gonna take a look at. We got a 1980 FXEF, a 1959 XLCH, and a 1983 XR1000. But let's take a look. So the first one we gotta go through is this 1980 FXEF Fat Bob, Harley-Davidson shovel head. The bike's in great shape, believe it or not. Looks good, pretty sound, not running. We got to go through it, determine what it needs, set up a baseline estimate, and then we'll be able to go from there. But we got to assume it's going to need like a carb rebuild, front and rear tires, rotors, brake flush. Hopefully the motor's pretty sound, but once this gets going, we'll be able to determine what it needs and then go from there. But this will be a nice before and after 1980 FXEF Fat Bob. That's number one. Bike is pretty cool. Only 1,000 of these were made based on my, you can fact check me, but 1983 XR1000. Bike's in good shape. Guy kind of, wanted a cafe racer it out. Maybe got caught up in the mix or whatever, but so he brought it to us. Had some concerns with its motor, so we're gonna have to go through the motor, either freshen that up or determine if there's anything wrong with it. Obviously, carburetor rebuild, probably front and rear tires. Once we determine that baseline estimate, then he's gonna determine what he wants to do for paint and body, what color to go with, and then go from there, maybe some decals. So that'll be a nice before and after. I like this bike, 1983 XR1000. That's project bike number 2. This is number 3, 1959 XLCH Ironhead Sportster. Rolling chassis. So basically this bike, I think, ended up going from one place to another place. No one really finished it up, so he brought it to us basically to complete the build. So we're gonna go through it. It looks like it's been freshened up. The frame looks like it's been powder coated. The tins look like they've been freshened up. He did bring us down this motor, this Ironhead motor, saying that it was just rebuilt. So basically we're gonna go through it, determine whatever else it needs, rebuild it, put it back together, and have this on the road ready for him to go. So those are our 3 projects for this year. But if you're looking to upgrade, whatever it may be, give us a call and we'll have you in and out. We'll get you a free estimate. 83 XR1000, 59 XLCH, 1980 XFEF coming your way.